Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are making cute little Christmas decor, and if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For the first DIY, we picked up two tin cans from the dollar spot in Target, and they say Santa's Workshop. They were so adorable, so we had to get them. We are using 3 pine cones from Joann's. They were 89 cents, and Joann's had a 60% off doorbuster. And we are using a pick from Hobby Lobby. They had 50% off, and the pick is $2. We're just entwining some of the wire to hold both of the picks together. We got this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. It's bourbon ribbon. It is $9.99 and they had a 50% off, so we ended up getting it for $4.99. The ribbon is durable and it is worth every penny. It's high quality ribbon. They give you a lot on the spool, so we will have this for several of our DIYs. We really could have left the pine cones plain, but we wanted to give it more of a warm look, so we brushed a little paint across the pine cones to give it that warm look. So this does complete our first DIY. It is so adorable. It gives off a warm feel, kind of like a farmhouse vibe. We added bells to the home decor at the end, so let us know in the comments below which style you like the most. For this next DIY, we are making a cute little wreath that you can place anywhere in your home or even in an office. And we are just wrapping it with bourbon ribbon. We got the bourbon ribbon from Hobby Lobby. They had a 50% off and the ribbon was $9.99, but we only paid $5. And the ribbon is very durable. And when we tell you that it's worth every penny, it's not only durable, but it's high quality. So we will be getting many uses out of this ribbon, making plenty of DIYs for the holiday. This is another pick that we purchased from Hobby Lobby with their 50% off Christmas sale, and we paid $2 for it. We like it because it's swirly and it has the bourbon string around it. And we did get this little wreath from the Dollar Tree. These are the pine cones that we purchased from Joann's. They had a 60% off, a doorbuster, and we paid 89 cents. We decided to go with more of the farmhouse look, so we decided to add the little red truck. And these are a pack of ornaments that we got from Big Lot, and Big Lot had a sale, so we picked up a pack of the ornaments and we think they're super cute. So we decided to give it more detail by adding a little white to the Christmas tree to give it more of that snow look and more of that Christmas feel. Let us know in the comments below what style of wreath you would choose. So this does complete our second DIY and we think it's super adorable. We added the little red truck and it just gave it so much more detail, but we did like the plain as well. So let us know in the comments below what style of wreath you would choose. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below what your favorite DIY was for today. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you in our next video. Bye. When the bell